Mama, happy birthday. So this is a small video that we've all compiled for you, like from everyone around the globe literally, who really loves you. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope this makes your day a little more special. I mean, obviously I'm gonna make it awesome, but yeah, this is also there. So love you, hope you enjoy it. So obviously, mom, you have like the coolest and the bestest sasural that you could ever get, and here are some lovely small messages from everyone for you, and I hope this makes you smile. Love you.
Mira, happy birthday to you बेटा. many happy returns of the day. आज ये बहुत मेरे लिए ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि तुमको तुम्हारे बर्थडे के दिन हम आशीर्वाद भेज रहे हैं. इट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ डियरेस्ट अनीसा. और राजू को भी मेरा बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद. खूब खुश रहो बेटा, जियो, खूब खुश रहो.
Many happy returns of the day, and a very happy birthday to an awesome woman of our family, our dearest Meera Bhabhi. May God give you all the happiness. Love you loads and loads. Look forward to see you all soon. Bye. Take care.
Hi Meera Mami, wishing you a very happy birthday. Lots and lots of love to you. You have a fabulous lockdown birthday. It's been so long since we all met. I remember how I used to come and see you in Patna, and I used to play around your plant nursery. Mama used to pick me up from the school, and then we used to come to your house, and then we used to have this wonderful time together. And I remember having ice cream with you. Thanks to Anisha that we all could connect, and I hope that you have a wonderful birthday, and Anisha is working very hard to make it very special for you. So lots of love to Anisha, lots of love to Raju Mama, and happy birthday. Lots of love to you, and
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Kyra is also wishing happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yes.
Hi Bhabhi, happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. May you always be healthy and happy. I always remember your charming smile. Love you lots Bhabhi. Happy birthday once again. और Anisha, Raju भैया, lots of love to you too. Bye.
Happy birthday to you, dear Meera. I'm Asha Bua here. Wishing you an amazing year filled with love and joy. Lots of blessings and love, dear Meera.
Happy birthday Meera Bhabhi, and many happy returns of the day. Hello Raju Bhaiya. Brilliant idea Anisha. At least we get to see everyone.
What can one say about a lady as affectionate, as beautiful, as charming, as dignified, as elegant, as gracious, as a very sweet Meera Bhabhi? The list can go on and on. We meet only once in a while at family get-togethers, mostly at Rumudis or at Madhur Mausi's. But the warmth with which you meet us, Bhabhi, is so very endearing. I've always wanted to tell you that I love your collection of saris, the immaculate way you drape them, and most importantly, your beautiful and flawless complexion. Happy birthday, dear Bhabhi. Lots and lots of love to you. Raju Bhaiya and our charming kiddo Anisha. Stay young, stay beautiful, stay happy, and stay safe. Anisha dear, this message is from your Reena Bua and Rakesh Fufaji. Our sincere apologies for sending you this audio so very late. But you know what a hectic schedule we docs have to follow. And COVID has added to our woes. Take care. Love to you too.
Hi Mommy, very happy birthday to you, and I hope the celebrations of today gives you a lot of happy memories. Bye.
Hello, Meera. Happy birthday. Always, today and always. Love you.
Hi, Meera Mami. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Meera Dalu. Love you.
Happy birthday.
mommy. Love you.
Love you. Have a wonderful day.
Pranam, mommy. Happy birthday. Have a great day.
We love you, miss you. Anisha, thank you so much for putting this together. Love you too. Love you, Mama.
We love you, Mama, Mommy, Anisha.
Have a wonderful day. Enjoy.
Love you lots. We miss
you so much. Happy birthday. Happy birthday once again.
Pranam, Mami, Nani. Many happy returns of the day from Simba and I. Hopefully we can meet soon. Hope you enjoy it.
Hello Mira, very happy birthday to you, both from Vinita and from me. Hope you have a wonderful time with your wonderful family, my brother and my beautiful daughter Anisha. I hope they spoil you rotten today and look after you for the rest of the year. Khub khush raho Mira. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mira Auntie. We hope you have a wonderful day. Lots of love
from both of us.
from both of us. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mira Daddy. I hope you have a great day. Love from Avinash, Aishani, Mama, and Papa.
Happy birthday to you, Mira. Wish you all the very best for today and for the years ahead. We are so proud of you to have a lovely person like you in our family. You are so nice, loving and caring person. God bless you, darling.
Hi Meera Bhabhi. Wish you a very happy birthday. Have a wonderful day and hope to celebrate this together soon. Lots of love.
Hi Meera Bhabhi. How are you doing? How's the lockdown been treating you? And Raju Bhaiya and Anisha. We all love you and you have a great place in our heart. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your birthday, be safe and keep social distance. I wish I could join you for the party and have as many cakes as possible. Though not allowed because of diabetes, but I still enjoy having cakes. Enjoy, have a nice time. Once again, many happy returns of the day. We all love you.
Many happy returns of the day, Bhabhi. A very happy birthday to you. Lots and lots of love and best wishes from all of us here. Always love your calmness, your patience, and thankful to Raju Bhaiya to have brought you into our family. Love you lots. Have a good birthday, a very blessed birthday, and many happy returns of the day once again. Bye. Love you.
Many happy returns of the day to our most beautiful, lovely, and ever so humble Meera Bhabhi.
A happy 21st birthday, Bhabhi. You don't look a day older than that.
Yeah, and a big hello and lots of regards to Raju Bhaiya and lots of blessings to Anisha. Really wonderful, beta. You've done such a wonderful job collating all these videos for your mother. Wonderful job.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Bhabhi. I still remember that day in the 70s when you first came to our home at Ranchi. I must have been probably in 5th standard when we first got to see you. You know, we had heard that Raju Bhaiya's bride is coming today from a place close to Darjeeling. We didn't even know about the existence of Kalimpong there. And the first time when I saw you, you seemed to be like an angel with long straight hair and a big tikka on your head. I still remember that. And we were so amazed and happy for both of you. And Raju Bhaiya has always been a trendsetter, but at that point in time, who would have imagined that what both of you were doing to the Prasad family, to the Shekhar family was going to be more of a norm than an exception. So thank you for initiating that into the family and wish you a very, very happy birthday. You have been a very, very kind and caring person, and that I got to know firsthand when during my first work stint at Patna at 76 PP Colony. You also came and stayed there for some time when I was there. And the way you took care of the plants and the nursery that you had created there was amazing, as if they were your own children. I mean, that is the kind of care that I felt you were taking of the nursery, taking care of each plant, each flower at an individual level. So that is what you have brought to us, and I have had a lot of learning from you. Thank you very much.
So here are messages from your side of the family. So from Kalimpong, from Nepal, from Bangalore, from everywhere. I hope this makes you smile even more and enjoy.
Happy birthday, Meera auntie. Happy birthday, Meera. Many, many happy. Kasto cha.
Happy birthday, Meera auntie. Have a wonderful day.
Meera, many, many happy returns of the day. I pray this day you will go on strong, looking young and beautiful. Mom and I used to worry, a weakling like you, how will you manage in life? But you have proved us wrong. Now I see you the strongest. God bless you, darling sister. Keep up the good show and stay in good health. Love you lots.
Dear Auntie, happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day and a year ahead. With lots of love and regards, Rajiv.
Happy birthday, Meera. So one more year has passed by. Much seen, learned and shared, and perhaps a lot more grey hair. It's been an eventful year. What shall I wish for you on your birthday? Many, many more years of happiness with Rajiv. Anunu well settled, good health, peace, well-being, success in all your endeavors, and above all, divine grace upon you. We have all come a long, long way, Meera, weathered many personal storms, but as sisters, we always stood for each other. I hope and pray that we will always be there for each other, and we will do our wonderful parents proud by living our lives with grace and dignity, always sharing and spreading joy and loving kindness. Lots and lots of love, hugs and kisses to you today, Meera. I hope Rajiv and Anunu make you feel really, really special.
Happy birthday, Meera auntie. Wishing you all the love and happiness in the world. Love you.
Hi Meera auntie, Sunaina here, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Meera auntie. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you get pampered from head to toe, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful 2020 ahead of you. Love you.
Hi Meera. Many happy returns of the day. On your special day, I would like to wish you good health, happiness, peace of mind and love of family. So just enjoy your day and get ready to be pampered by all of you. Now Maya is going to sing a song for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Haji. Happy birthday to you.
birthday, Meera auntie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Meera Aji. Happy birthday to you. Lots of love and kisses and hugs.
Meera Didi, wishing you a birthday that's just as wonderful as you are. Have a great day. Get pampered.
Happy birthday, Meera Didi. May you stay forever young, forever pretty, and forever happy. And may all of you decide to come to Kalampong sometime soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, auntie. You have a great day.
Happy birthday, Meera auntie. Hope you have a nice day and a great year. You know, so far it's not been that great, but hope, you know, from this month onwards it's going to be better. And enjoy yourself today, relax and take it easy. Bye.
1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Meera auntie. Meera auntie. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Meera auntie. We love you.
Happy birthday. We love you. More to Kalampong has bye.
Have a wonderful day, Meera auntie.
Have fun. Bye. Bye. More India, great country. Bye. Happy tears.
And now here are some messages from friends that have turned into family, and they love you and they've taken the time out to do this for you. So feel lucky, because, well, you should, and it's your special day and they love you. And here are some messages from them for you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Meera. Hope you have an absolutely great day with the family, and make sure you don't enter the kitchen that day.
Happy birthday, Meera. It's ages since we've met. We surely should make a plan to meet someday. Have a great day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Birthday.
Meera auntie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, auntie. Wish you a fantastic day and an awesome year ahead.
Meera, many happy returns of the day, Meera. God bless you. Wish you all the best in life. Good health, happiness, everything, whatever you need.
Happy birthday, Meera auntie. I love you. Thank you so much for being there for me and Sham and everyone at home. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, auntie.
Happy birthday, Meera.
Wish you all the very best.
God
bless
bless
and
you.
keep you. Happy birthday from Olipa.
Oli Baba, especially.
Olisha, happy
With
birthday,
lots
Oli
of kisses.
Babusha, happy birthday, Granny. I'm coming. I'm coming to hug you. I'm coming to hug you.
He's sending kisses to you, Meera. She's sending kisses to you.
Lots of kisses. Kisses for you.
Hola, see, Nana. See, Meera, Nana.
Happy
Meera,
birthday,
Nana.
auntie. Happy birthday, auntie. Have a wonderful day. We love you. We love you, Meera auntie. Bye.
Hi, auntie. Wish you a very happy birthday. God bless and keep you. I can't wait to come and hug you in person. Love you. Bye. Now.
Hello, Meera Gani.
He's buried his face.
Happy birthday. I'm sorry I'm unable to speak right now. That's why I'm asking Dada to speak. I'll soon come and start playing with you. Be prepared. I love you.
Happy birthday, Meera Granny. I can't wait to come and hug you and give you kisses on your neck and mostly sleep. Bye. Love you.
So here are some messages from all the bachas who really love you and think you're really cool. I don't, but okay. So here is all the love pouring in from all the bachas who love you, and I hope this makes you believe that you're cool at least, even though I don't. So here goes.
Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, Auntie. I love you, and it's so much fun always to share my guy stories with you. And yes, I gathered that this is one of your favorite songs. So here's a small flute piece for my Hasina.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Have a great year. Hope to see you soon.
I don't have light right now. I'm so sorry. That's usually the case with me. But happy birthday, Auntie. I hope you have a great year ahead. And yes, I have all the blessings for Anisha as well. मेरा married हाथ उसके सर पर है. Okay, bye. Happy birthday.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Even Doggo says happy birthday. Auntie, Doggo and me love you and wish you the most special birthday ever. May Anisha be your obedient child for now and ever. I mean, that's my vardhan. And apart from it, Riya की तरह मेरे ऊपर भी like, you know, like I'm putting marriage का हाथ on her. So soon that'll happen. मैं नाचूंगी संगीत में मैंने decide कर लिया है. So that'll come true. But Auntie, for the time being, happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday. I wish I could be there in person to celebrate with you. But that being said, I'm sending you lots of virtual hugs, loves, and kisses. I love you so much, and you've literally seen us growing up. And you know about all my happy, sad times in my life. And thank you for always being there. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you. आंटी पता है पर आपने मेरे साथ इतना गलत काम किया. एक आपने मेरे मोमोज़ के स्टैंडर्ड ने टॉप पे सेट कर दिया ना कि मुझे कहीं के मोमोज़ अच्छे नहीं लगते. सो अब मैं जल्दी गुड़गांव आऊँगी और मोमोज़ खाने आऊँगी और आपसे मिलने आऊँगी. आई मिस हैविंग यू अराउंड. I wish you have a great life, great year, great everything, just great because you are a great woman. अनीशा ने बस एक ढंग का काम किया है, वो मुझे आपसे मिलाया है. And I like you more than Anisha.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. I hope you have the nicest time, and I hope Anisha makes it extra special for you.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
And this final message from your friend, your best friend, your companion, your partner, the love of your life, my dearest daddy. So I hope you enjoy his message because it was a task getting him to do it. So yeah, here goes from the love of your life.
Happy birthday, Mira. Thank you for being such a rock hard like support for us in our lives, especially when we've hit turbulence, which has been often. I can well and truly tell you that you have been the best friend that I've ever had in my life. I am me because of you. May God grant you a life full of peace and tranquility and joy. Today, Anisha and I are going to make this day as special for you as possible, as special and precious as you are to us. May God bless you and many happy returns of the day again and again and forever.
Hi Mama, I hope you like this video and we all love you, especially the two of us. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mira. Many happy returns.
Love you.